Welcome. In this video, you will learn how to build a personal dashboard that helps you track everything important in one place. A personal dashboard is a simple tool that organizes your tasks, goals, habits, and data, so you can easily monitor progress and stay focused. First, decide what you want to track. Common categories include daily habits, work tasks, fitness goals, finances, and learning progress. Choose the categories that matter most to you. The goal is to have a clear overview of your priorities. Next, select a platform for your dashboard. You can use spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, note-taking apps like Notion or Evernote, or specialized dashboard tools such as Trello or Airtable. Choose what you feel comfortable with and what fits your needs best. Once you have your platform, start by creating sections for each category. For example, create a table for daily habits with rows for each habit and columns for dates to mark completion. For work tasks, make a list with task names, deadlines, and status. For fitness, track workouts, duration, and calories burned. Customize each section based on the data you want to track. To make your dashboard effective, use simple visual cues like checkboxes, color codes, or progress bars. These help you quickly see what is done and what needs attention. For example, green can mean completed, yellow for in progress, and red for overdue tasks. Add formulas or automation if your platform supports it. In spreadsheets, you can calculate totals, averages, or percentages automatically. This saves time and gives you instant feedback on your progress. For example, a formula can show the percentage of habits completed each week. Review and update your dashboard daily or weekly. Make it a habit to spend a few minutes checking your progress and adjusting your goals. This regular review helps keep you motivated and accountable. Finally, personalize your dashboard with motivational quotes, goals, or reminders. The more engaging and meaningful it feels, the more likely you are to use it consistently. In summary, building a personal dashboard involves choosing what to track, selecting a tool, organizing your data into clear sections, adding visual aids, automating calculations, and reviewing regularly. With this approach, you can track everything important and stay on top of your goals. Start building your personal dashboard today and see the difference it makes in managing your life efficiently.